In this module, we're going to explore the best platforms to sell your digital products, from simple plug-and-play options to more customizable storefronts. You'll learn where to start based on your experience level, what each platform offers, and how to choose the one that fits your goals and style. There's no shortage of places to sell digital products, but choosing the right platform can save you time, stress, and money. Let's look at your main options. First, Gumroad. It's one of the easiest places to start. You can upload your product, write a short description, set your price, and start selling within minutes. It's beginner-friendly, free to start, and has a clean checkout process. If you're just getting started, Gumroad is a solid launchpad. Next, Payhip. Payhip is similar to Gumroad, but gives you a little more control over your branding. It's also free to start and supports discount codes, affiliates, and even memberships if you want to grow later. Then there's Stan Store. This one is perfect for creators and anyone selling on platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Stan lets you build a clean, mobile-friendly storefront with a bio link and digital product delivery built in. It's especially powerful if you're building an audience on social media. Want more control? Try Shopify. Shopify is more advanced, but gives you full ownership of your brand. You'll need to handle things like themes, apps, and custom domains. But it's great for long-term growth if you're building a full brand or product suite. System.io is another great all-in-one option. If you want a platform that includes a sales funnel builder, checkout pages, email automation, and course hosting, all in one place, System.io gives you everything you need under one roof. Now let's talk about WordPress. If you're planning to scale your store or create a more custom shopping experience, WordPress gives you full flexibility. You can use the WooCommerce plugin, which is widely supported and powerful. And yes, it includes features for digital product delivery. Or you can go even simpler with easy digital downloads, a WordPress plugin built specifically to sell digital products. It's lightweight, fast, and makes selling digital goods easy and professional. Now, if you want the fastest shortcut possible, we've got something even better. You can grab our done-for-you WordPress website, preloaded with high-quality digital products and already optimized for sales. It's a business in a box, designed to help you launch your digital store in record time. All you need to do is upload your logo and connect your payment processor, Stripe or PayPal. That's it. We've also included a full tutorial on how to use the website, how to add more products, and how to customize the layout. The steps are beginner-friendly and easy to follow. You can be up and running in less than 48 hours. This is the fastest and easiest way to launch a real branded digital storefront without having to piece everything together from scratch. If you've already grabbed the done-for-you website, that's amazing. You're ahead of the game. If not, you'll find a link to get it below this video, along with a link to access the ultimate Digital Cashflow Vault, your unlimited library of ready-to-sell digital products. Now here's the most important part. It's not about the platform, it's about getting started. Your audience doesn't care where you host your product. They care about the transformation it offers. Start simple. Use what's fast. Use what fits your skill level right now. And remember, if you already have access to the vault, you've got everything you need to start selling today. In the next module, we'll walk step by step through setting up your store, so you can go from idea to income in record time. Let's keep building.